Very good morning, guys. My name is Shivraj, and I have started a new series in my YouTube channel that is named as GenZ JavaScript. So, in this series, we will be learning React.js, Angular, and JavaScript. All the important concepts we will be learning here. And I am a full stack developer with having 10 plus year of experience under my belt. And guys, please subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified for all the upcoming videos. Thank you.
So hello guys, in my previous video that was the final video of Redux Saga. There, I think the last some few minutes were cropped while editing it. They were missed. So in this video, I will be re-recording it and then show you. So my aim was to show you how to learn Redux Saga with AI because nowadays you can do ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud A, Copilot, all these with the help of this you can learn anything fast, right? So what I did, this example was from previous video, so I copy pasted this and just pasted this over chat gpt, right? So this, I wrote this below is the redux saga code, help me understand line by line. That's it, and then just copy paste the code. So now what it has done, it has tried to explain me line by line. See, importing Redux Saga effects. All call, delay, put, take, every. These all we were using, right? So it is saying these are coming from Redux Saga effects. In code also, if you will see, these are all coming from Redux Saga effects. So it is explaining line by line. These are helper function provided by Redux Saga. All what it will do, run multiple sagas in parallel. That is what it is doing. So if you have various methods, you can run all of them in parallel. Call, it is a blocking nature, so it is like it will call one and then finish, then I call again. Delay is pause execute some time. So like this, it is helping you to understand everything. Take every listen for an action and run a saga every time it happens. Every time means 4 or 5 times if you click, 4 or 5 times it will click. See, hello Saga, what is happening here? So this code function, this is a generator function, and generator allows Redux Saga to pause and resume execution. Run once, so this will run once, right? And when does it run? It runs when root saga starts. So root saga, remember, we have started it here. Saga.middleware.run root saga. As soon as it runs, then it will see over here, it will run this hello saga. So hello saga will immediately print this, and then after that it will run this watch increment async. So watch increment async is this function. So what it will do, it is yield take every. So it is now, it has become watcher function. So it will watch. So it will watch anytime this is getting clicked. If I click it 5 times, so it will call this function 5 times. This function will be called 5 times. So yeah, so this is all. This code is this in AI is explaining us. Increment async, line by line, yield delay, wait for 1 second. This is the non-blocking code. You know, dispatches. What this is doing, yield put. It is dispatching a Redux action. Watch increment async. What this is doing, take every. See, it is explained. This is a watcher. This is a watcher function. It listens to the action this. It will listen. It will start listening to this. Anytime this is being dispatched, it will call this method. See, take every explain. Every time increment async is dispatched, increment async saga is started. Multiple instances can run at the same time. Why? Because it is take every. Actually, root saga main entry point. This is the main entry point. So line by line, it is explaining everything. What is root saga? So that's how you, with the help of AI, previously we used to search for the vlogs, right? The blogs in like the websites, or in Medium or anywhere, or some tutorial in YouTube. But now you just have to type in AI and you will get all the understanding. Line by line, it will explain you what your code is doing. So that's how you can understand others' code also, right? You can you can open any repo and you can try to do it like this if you want to understand it. Don't ever copy paste, right? Because then you can go, you can You can be inside an infinite loop if you are doing so, because anytime you don't know, how to fix some error. So if you have understanding, you can help AI also and guide it, and then that's how it is able to help you, and you can also fix it if you are having understanding. If you don't have understanding, you are just doing copy paste, then you can, for small, very small fix also, sometimes you can go in infinite loop. So it will be very much time wastage, or also very much frustrating. So always try to have good understanding on everything that you are writing. That's how you will become a good and great developer. See, this is a mental model. Watcher Saga, listen for action. Worker Saga does async work. API calls, any API calls and delay that you are doing here inside the Worker Saga. This is the Worker Saga. This here you can call the APIs. This is the Worker Saga. And this is the Watcher Saga. Why? Because this is watching for this action, and this is doing the actual work. And then finally making this reducer to update the state. And then what I did, okay, I asked it, like we have take, every, and all those stuff. I told it, please provide me all the commonly used helper. See, these are helper functions, right? These all we are using. So I told it, please provide me commonly used helper functions. So just in prompt, you have to write this, and it will help you out. See, give us more helper function provided by Redux Saga. So it has now given us. You don't have to, search in websites also, search in official docs also. So here itself it will provide you. First, you can double check in official website, but most of the time, 99% it is correct. So yield dot take. What this will do, this will pause the saga until this action happens. So until this action, this action happens. So it will pause, take every, run saga every time. It like we have seen in previous video. So guys, do watch my all the previous videos if you have to have a good understanding. But previous video I have shown you, if I click 5 times immediately, it is calling 5 times this function. But what this take it is, so this will help us in such cases where we want to run only one. So but it will run the latest saga and cancel all the previous ones. So like this, as per your requirement, you can use these inbuilt functions provided by you from effects. What put is doing, put is dispatching the action to Redux. Yield put, type this and payload. This is how you are dispatching to Redux, the reducer, right? So put result, dispatches and waits for reducer to finish. So like this, as per your requirement, you can use this. Apply like call, but lets you set this. Okay. Fork starts a task in background non-blocking. So call was blocking nature, right? This call. If we go to Saga file, we were using this call, right? This was blocking nature, but if it will start this function and then it will execute this like this, it will go. But if you use fork, so in background it will like parallelly it can start.